Welcome to Viola, nature's delicate gem. In this episode, we'll immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of the viola flower. Viola, with its delicate blossoms and charming demeanor, is a symbol of grace and the simple pleasures of nature. These enchanting flowers can be found gracing gardens, borders, and woodland edges around the world, offering a burst of color and a touch of elegance. A miniature wonder. One of the most endearing features of violas is their petite size, which adds to their charm and makes them a perfect choice for small spaces and containers. A colorful palette. Viola flowers come in a delightful array of colors, from classic purples and violets to soft pinks, yellows, and even bicolor combinations. Each hue offers a unique visual delight. Early bloomers. Violas are often among the first flowers to bloom in the spring, bringing cheerful color to gardens when the world is waking from winter slumber. A symbol of modesty. These flowers are often associated with modesty and humility, reflecting their unassuming beauty. Edible elegance. Violas are edible flowers and have been used in culinary creations, garnishing salads, desserts, and even as decorative accents in dishes. Fascinating facts about Viola. Viola belongs to the Viola genus and is part of the Violaceae family. The name, Viola, is derived from the Latin word for violet, reflecting the flower's typical color. Violas are native to various regions, including Europe, Asia, and North America. Some viola species are known as wild violets and can be found in woodlands and meadows. Violas have 5-petaled, typically heart-shaped flowers. The pansy, Viola times wittrakeiana, is a hybrid viola species known for its larger, showy blooms. Violas are often used in gardening as both ornamental and cool-season bedding plants. These flowers have a mild, slightly sweet flavor and are used as a garnish in culinary creations. Violas are beloved by pollinators, a symbol of love. A tiny treasure. Viola, with its miniature wonder and delicate beauty, is a testament to the elegance found in simplicity. Its ability to brighten small spaces and gardens has made it a cherished choice for gardeners and lovers of natural beauty. As our exploration of Viola their presence serves as a reminder of the subtle yet profound beauty that can be found in the natural world, awaiting discovery by those with a keen eye and an appreciation for the delicate wonders of the earth.